How to fix notes not showing on Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So, as you might know, Messenger has just recently released its own notes feature that's kind of similar to Instagram. However, as you might know, some people does have it while others don't. So if you are one of the few unlucky ones that does not have that feature, just like me right here, what can you do to get it? Now you need to make sure that you are running the latest version of Messenger. So go ahead to Play Store and update the app. Now if you have already updated the app and you still does not have that new feature, then unfortunately there is nothing that you can do to get it except to wait. That's because, as with any new feature that any app releases, it's it releases that feature to few people at first, and they slowly start to roll out that feature till everyone gets it eventually. Now, that's the only way that we can do, unfortunately, and it because it is not in our control. So just wait, be patient, and eventually everyone will have that feature. So that was it for this video. That's how to fix notes if it's missing in Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.